Okay, here we are in Hollywood Studios, and this is Toy Story Land. If you walk straight out of Star Wars Land, you come right into Toy Story Land here. Walt Disney World Hollywood Studios on a 93-degree day, so it's getting warm, and it's only noon. This right here is the Alien Swirling Saucers. Right now it's got a standby time of 35 minutes. Take a look at that awesome looking Buzz Lightyear statue. Over here to the right is some restrooms in case you are in this land and you need to know that. Pretty cool. Alright, you continue walking up ahead here. The crowd isn't too bad today. Right here's Woody's Lunchbox. This is a quick serve. They have grilled cheese sandwiches, grown-up drinks, ice cream floats, desserts, and kids' meals. And being that it's almost lunchtime, it's starting to get backed up a little bit. The theming is incredible here in Toy Story Land. Slinky Dog ride is over here. This is where we're headed. There's where you can get the Mickey ice cream bars right here. Powerade, bottled water, whole fruit. It says beverage with alcohol is what they have displayed. Take a look at those Slinky Dogs toys that you can buy. I always love looking at all the t-shirts that people wear. Lightning Lane. You see all these retro shirts of Disney. Alright, this is a Slinky Dog ride. There's the iconic Toy Story ball. I love how people are dressed up like Toy Story. Buzz and Woody there. Even the adults. Woody and Jessie over here. Photo op. Line closed to see Woody and Jessie.
Oh, he's dressed up like Woody.
Oh, that's cute. Alright, this shows you a little bit of the crowds of what it's like. Almost like a little bit of a bottleneck area here where all these people are coming through, walking through.
Hi, Chris, our line is currently closed. We will be back at 1:30. The line is clear so that people are able to... Watch out.
Okay, over here, this is the Toy Story Mania ride. Currently, it's got a wait time of 50 minutes on it. It's one of the more popular ones here in the Toy Story Mania. Oh, look. He did. Woody just tapped me on the shoulder as he walked by. That was cool. Oh, here we go. Over here on the left, this is Roundup Rodeo, the newest restaurant here on Hollywood Studios. Right here is a photo op for Woody. Over here is a photo op for Buzz.
I'm Sheriff Woody. A nice, big Andy's backyard welcome.
And that's pretty much the end of Toy Story Land here at Hollywood Studios, Walt Disney World.